Cofactr's BOM workflows eliminate manual spreadsheet scrubbing. Instead of spending hours cleaning data, you can go from upload to actionable insights in minutes. Let me show you how. Simply click on BOMs, upload BOM, select the file you wish to upload, click Open. From here, you can adjust your BOM name, your Cofactr part number, your version, and as well as if you already have had a team assigned. Click Next. From here, make sure that you have your header row selected, which will contain your column names. Click Next. Here we will match our columns. If there are any additional columns within your BOM you wish to include or ignore, you can do so by clicking on the drop-down and selecting from the bottom. Click Next. And lastly, if there are any custom parts in your BOM you wish to toggle on, so that way you can add the part inside the BOM, toggle on custom part. And if you have any alternates within your BOM, make sure to select merge overlapping lines with the same line number and click upload.